from Allocate Surprise Me, and today we're going to Learning Express to go looking for Fidgets.
Fidgets! Wow, Fidgets, Fidgets, Fidgets! I'm so excited about Fidgets!
As you can see, Ella is not in the car anywhere.
Alright guys, so we are going to Learning Express, but if you haven't noticed, Bryce said, what?
Ella's not in the car.
So Ella is gonna miss out on Fidgets. I mean, come on, Fidgets. Who misses out on Fidgets? When you go fidget shopping, you have to get all excited because fidget shopping is like a challenge. When you go to look for fidgets, you have to be on your like best outlook. Like you have to have eagle eyes. You need to find the best fidgets. So when you're out shopping, make sure you're always looking around because we need to find fidgets. Look guys, it's a Learning Express sign. Look, there it is.
I see these people on YouTube, on TikTok all the time.
You've seen these people on TikTok?
Yes, they have jumbo fidgets and stuff all the time. They're really cool.
Well, we'll have to see what we can find. Ooh. I think that one's with sprinkles. Ooh, look at these cute little things. Whoa, check that water bottle out. It collapses.
Hey, Rick, I'm here. Whoa, Ella, you're here?
Where did you come from?
I came from right here.
But you weren't in the car with us.
Snake.
What did you find, Bryce?
Snake.
Ooh, they got snakes. Ella, look at all these cool fidgets.
There are more washes balls.
Ooh, check this one out. This one's got Kitty Cat. Simple dimples. Simple dimples. Sing it. Sing it.
Simple dimple.
Pop it, squeeze. Pop it, squeeze.
Pop it, squeeze.
Ooh.
Yeah, I want to do these.
Twisty Ella. There's Twisty Do we need a basket?
Guys,
Oh, we need a basket or a cart.
someone opened it.
Whoa, what is that?
It's a glitter football.
Oh my goodness.
Can we buy it?
It's a Galaxy Squeeze Ball.
Can we have it?
I don't know, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. What are these? Oh, these look cool.
These for your finger. You put this.
Oh yeah, they're like stretchy fidgets.
Mom.
Ooh, Bryce got a basket.
Put one in. Am I hearing the basket? Can you put my phone in?
Moon balls. Bryce, what are moon balls?
Those are the things that fly below, and then you throw them up in the air and they bounce really high. No, you throw them on the ground and they go up in the air. Mom, I got this, but this one has sprinkles on it. Here, Ella. Take the basket. Right.
Ooh, look. Ella, look. We have a couple of these, don't we? What are they? Marble Mash.
Can you put it in here?
We have two of them. You want another one?
This one's for me.
Oh God.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
It's in autumn. It's a
It's a Pooh Bear.
Mom, you want to see something behind my Mom, you'll freak out for this thing that's behind my back. You want to see it?
What is it?
I'll pop it first. Hey,
It looks like, oh my God, it looks like Pikachu. Does that not look like Pikachu?
Yes, or Eevee. Yeah, Eevee. But it's a puppet.
That's what Ella needs. So she can go to the park and do fidget trades.
Yeah.
Simple dimples.
Ooh, those are cool. These could go in your book bag because they got a carabiner.
Look at, there are these on here.
Look, they got glow dough.
Oh God, look at. Do anyone want anything beginner?
Ooh, that's cool.
Right now, here.
It's not a real one. Look, they got cute. Look at, what is this, a hairball? Look, is that a fidget?
I think so.
You don't know?
Oh yeah, a hairball. I need it.
Okay.
I need it.
Okay, put it in the basket.
Hold up.
Oh, he's running off. He's freaking out. We didn't even get halfway through the store yet and they're freaking out.
I get to have this one because my brother already got one.
Lift it. Can you lift it? Whoa. Lift it again. Lift it. Whoa. Lift it. Whoa.
Can we buy it?
Ooh, they got giant hearts and slugs. These ones have the hard edges. I know, I saw that one. And then they got the purse. Wow, I love them. Aww.
Look at my little cute knick.
Look at, they got pencil pouches. You'd be the coolest kid in school. You want to get one of those for school?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you'd be the coolest kid in school.
Yeah.
I bet nobody will have one.
Yeah, with just these. I think the cool kid I had that.
You would be the cool kid. Bryce, did you see the Moodapusses? Moodapus, Moodapus.
Not the one like mine though.
These are fidget spinners.
Yeah. Mom, I got the Mr. Spinner Zippo.
Oh, that one's like a mini size. You're right. Did you see these ones?
No.
Look. They're small enough for your little fingers.
Yeah, these ones are for me.
Ooh, look, they got ones that look like spider webs and keyboards. And what is that, a pineapple?
Yes.
Oh my God, Pop Fidgets. Ooh, we got sharks over here and crabs. Alright, Jeff. I spent $58 on Fidgets.
I was expecting the bill to be higher after all the awesome stuff they had in that store.
That store had so much awesome stuff. We have not seen that kind of fidgets before. I actually got, instead of a pea popper, it's a peanut popper.
Wait,
Ah.
you spent $58, but I spent another $8 on a shark.
Alright, well that's the end of our video at Learning Express. We are in Cool Springs, Tennessee, and we're heading home tomorrow, but make sure you check the rest of our videos out from our Kentucky and Tennessee vacation. Bye.